Hey guys, Jordy from Success Addicts here to do another trade breakdown. This was a forward test, but this is a really great example to learn really nice setups. SMC obviously, and then order blocks. So as we can see here, overall price is bearish. We've had an extreme new low put in here, and then obviously there has been an internal change of character here. But looking at price, we can see that looking at this, because this is the major structure point that makes this price a major structure point for the big push down. So anything between this high and this high is internal. So these minor breaks here don't really matter too much. I mean, you can definitely trade off them and stuff, but these are just minor movements for the whole movement to push down. So we can see here for the 15-minute supply, just have the last 15-minute up candle here. You can even have the last black candle here if you really want to. I mean, it just comes down to what you want to do, but both of them are extremely valid. We can see that we had a bunch of imbalance here as well. Uh, breaker structure, breaker structure here as well. Then obviously the major breaker structure, and then we also have a bunch of inducement right here. So this high, this high, this high, this high, and this high. And also other major factor as well is kill zone. So basically a kill zone is when the market opens for the first 10 minutes, a lot more volume tends to come in and it'll tend to move a lot more. And for us, the kill zone is at 4 p.m. And as you can see here, we actually wicked this zone at directly at 4 p.m. And as you can see, price is in a range, and all of a sudden it just dropped off. So this is a really nice kill zone entry here. You don't need to, but it's always recommended to trade near kill zones as well. So obviously this was a forward test, but I just thought I'd break it down for you. So we can see prices bearish inducement and balance. It's just a continuation of the trend, really. That's basically it. We also had some DXY alignment as well. At the time, DXY is continued to be bullish, as you can see on 4 hour. DXY is extremely bullish, so we're looking for sells in AUD USD. New highs being put in on the DXY, meaning we're going to see most likely see new lows put in on AUD USD. As you can see here, that's what directly happened. And this is inducement, but probably the best inducement is right here. The best inducement is inducement that's closest to the zone. For example, if we had a zone like this, I wouldn't really count it as valid at all. I wouldn't count the inducement valid just because of how far away it is, if we were just marking that out. But for example, if we had the inducement here, so we put a new low, boom, inducement right at the top of the zone, this validifies the zone a lot more, just because the inducement is a lot closer as well. That's something we do keep in mind. And as you can see, this was the lower inducement. We also had the really close inducement here. So that's basically the entry. Quick recap: imbalance, major breaker structure. All of these breaks are internal, so it doesn't really matter in the long run. We're looking for sells mostly. Loads of inducement, close inducement. It was at the kill zone. That's probably the perfect entry. And then, yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing day.